Don Roy, the Assistant Secretary of HYNL, told about the casino. Then I told that since we are celebrating the 58 years of the statehood, instead of casino, they should give a big stadium for the Riboy district, since the Riboy district is the aspirational district.
Okay.
Can you tell us about what is going on in the party? There is a demand for change of leadership.
What is going on? See, party, so many party people are here. I am also in the party office. Everybody is the party office. Everybody were working for the party. Anything problem with the party, there's no problem.
Okay.
What about the demand for change of party leadership?
No, we don't know about this. See, we are all working here, all as a BJP, as one, united, as a strong party workers.
Sir, what if the central leadership first MLA of Control as the post of president?
Pardon?
What if the central leadership offers MLA of Control as the
We are all Karyakata. We are working for the party. We will continue to work for the party. That's all. We are all Karyakata.
So you want the present state party president to continue as?
See, we are all working here together. Yeah, why? We are working. Everybody is working. See, all our BJP here. See, full houses outside also. So many BJP. We are one, and we are working for the party and ensure 2023 will be a BJP-led government. That's all only I know. Thank you very much.
So what